Charlie Munger, the master of multidisciplinary investing. Discover the unconventional strategies, timeless wisdom, and life philosophies of the legendary investor, Charlie Munger. Introduction. Charlie Munger, the revered vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett's longtime partner, is widely regarded as one of the greatest minds in investing. Known for his rationality, intellectual independence, and commitment to lifelong learning, Munger's approach to investing is anything but conventional. He has inspired countless investors with his disciplined, interdisciplinary style that draws from a latticework of mental models. In this comprehensive biography, we journey through Munger's groundbreaking trading style, understanding how he combines insight from diverse fields to make some of the most astute financial decisions in history. Early influences and the foundation of a unique investing approach. Munger's journey into investing didn't start in finance but in law, providing him with a unique foundation that prioritizes reasoning, ethical considerations, and analytical clarity. Growing up in Omaha and attending Harvard Law School, Munger developed a passion for mental clarity and logical thinking, which would later become the hallmarks of his investing style. After years in law, he pivoted to investing, eventually joining forces with Warren Buffett to transform Berkshire Hathaway into a global powerhouse. The philosophy behind Munger's trading style. Unlike many investors, Munger doesn't rely on traditional financial metrics alone. Instead, he approaches investments with a multidisciplinary toolkit, drawing from psychology, history, biology, and economics. This method, which he calls the latticework of mental models, allows him to avoid pitfalls that often ensnare other investors. 1. Latticework of mental models. At the heart of Munger's approach is his belief in understanding a range of concepts, or mental models, from diverse disciplines. These models include key concepts like supply and demand from economics, incentive-caused bias from psychology, and natural selection from biology. By interweaving these models, Munger gains a more accurate and comprehensive view of the business world. For example, instead of merely analyzing financial statements, he looks at incentives, decision-making processes, and even company culture, recognizing that these often intangible factors are crucial to a company's long-term success. 2. Long-term focus and value investing. While Munger shares Buffett's focus on value investing, his approach is distinct. Munger champions a long-term perspective, looking beyond immediate profits to assess a company's fundamental value and growth potential over time. He famously coined the term, "sit on your ass investing," to reflect his preference for patience and endurance over frequent trading. This long-term focus allows Munger to sidestep the emotional turbulence of market swings, opting instead for investments in companies he understands deeply and believes will succeed for decades. By identifying businesses with intrinsic value and strong, honest management, he achieves what he calls a fortress of reliability. 3. High-quality businesses and focus investing. Munger believes in investing in a select few high-quality companies that have enduring competitive advantages and a capacity for long-term growth. This strategy, often called focus investing, involves making fewer, high-conviction bets rather than diversifying widely. Munger asserts that putting substantial capital into a handful of great companies with reliable cash flows and low debt can yield better results than spreading investments thinly across mediocre ones. For example, Berkshire Hathaway's investments in Coca-Cola, American Express, and Apple reflect this philosophy of focusing on companies with robust brand loyalty, excellent management, and consistent profitability. 4. Invert, always invert. Munger's famous mantra, invert, always invert, encourages investors to consider problems in reverse to gain new insights. When evaluating a potential investment, he often asks questions like, what could cause this company to fail? Or, how could this decision go wrong? This inversion process helps him uncover hidden risks and prepare for possible challenges. By focusing on avoiding mistakes rather than chasing perfection, Munger minimizes risks and builds resilience into his investing strategy, a principle he values deeply. 5. Psychological discipline and avoiding biases. Munger understands that human biases, such as confirmation bias, overconfidence, and loss aversion, can cloud decision-making. To counteract these biases, he actively incorporates principles from psychology into his investment process. By recognizing his own cognitive biases, he has developed a more rational and objective approach to investing, avoiding the common mistakes that lead to emotional and irrational decision-making. Life principles that complement Munger's investing style. Munger's success isn't solely due to his technical prowess. His principles for living a virtuous, meaningful life underpin his investing style. He advocates for continuous learning, ethical conduct, and humility, recognizing that these qualities are essential for both personal and professional fulfillment. The power of integrity and humility. In Munger's eyes, honesty and integrity are non-negotiable in life and business. His investment choices reflect a moral compass that prioritizes responsible decision-making and sustainable growth. Additionally, his humility and willingness to admit mistakes make him adaptable and open to change, rare qualities that have enabled him to stay ahead in an unpredictable market. Commitment to lifelong learning. Munger's insatiable curiosity and commitment to forever learning have allowed him to evolve with changing market conditions. He reads voraciously, studies new fields, and continuously expands his mental models. This adaptability has been crucial to his success, enabling him to understand and leverage trends across multiple industries. In an age of fast-paced information, high-frequency trading, and market volatility, Munger's disciplined, thoughtful approach offers a refreshing perspective. His strategies remind investors to focus on fundamentals, exercise patience, and make decisions based on a broader understanding of human behavior and industry trends. His commitment to ethical, informed investing has not only created significant wealth but has also set a standard for integrity in finance. Charlie Munger's trading style is a blend of intellectual rigor, moral philosophy, and emotional discipline. His unique approach, built on a foundation of multidisciplinary thinking and rationality, has transformed Berkshire Hathaway and set a gold standard for value investing.